Donald Trump is celebrating a major win in the courts tonight. A New York appeals judge gave the Republican presidential candidate a partial lifeline. He gets more time and can put up less money to mount his appeal of the nearly $500 million civil fraud judgment against him.
It was a decision we appreciate and respect the appellate division very much. We have a judge who I believe is a crooked judge and a crooked attorney general. Absolutely crooked.
Trump slammed the New York judge who oversaw the civil fraud suit and the attorney general who filed it, alleging it to be politically motivated. The appeals court ruled to reduce the bond to $175 million. Reggie Cecchini joins us from Washington now. And Reggie, we know Trump has just over a week to find the money, but we're still talking about a huge amount here.
Well, the biggest question, Jackson, is where Trump will source this bond payment from. His lawyers had already raised concern over his liquid assets, saying much of his wealth is tied up in real estate, and that may be why no company would issue him a bond in the first place. But Trump did say that this will be paid for in cash, right around the time that he ignored questions from reporters to whether a foreign government may assist him. Now, if Trump does post his bond, it's expected to stay proceedings through September, which would deal a significant delay to the state's attorney general, who wouldn't be able to enforce collection against him.
The attorney general still has the judgment. That is going to be appealed. If he loses, the attorney general will still have $175 million plus interest in hand, and now can go after Trump on the enforcement procedure if he loses the appeal. And so there'll be lots of pickings from the field, so to speak.
So, Reggie, while there was good news for Trump in one case, he was also dealt a blow in the first criminal trial against him. Tell us more about the case that a judge now says can proceed.
Well, Jackson, this one carries historical significance because this will be the first ever criminal trial against a former president. If you remember, it's allegations that business records were falsified to cover a payment to bury stories about an alleged affair with an adult film star. This trial was actually supposed to start today, but after federal prosecutors released thousands of documents related to the trial just a few weeks ago, Trump's team asked for a delay, and today the judge said this wasn't the fault of the DA's office and scheduled the trial to begin with jury selection on April 15th, which will not be easy, given Trump is such a polarizing figure. And Jackson, that's highlighted in new polling that suggests 44% of American voters say a conviction in this case won't affect the likelihood that they would support Donald Trump for president. Jackson?
Reggie Cecchini in Washington, thanks.